Light up your home Foscam 4 megapixel floodlight camera. How to add floodlight camera to app. Please download and install Foscam app on your phone first. Then register an account. If you already have, you can ignore this step. Open the Foscam app on your phone, click plus, select floodlight camera, and edit by using the app to scan the QR code behind the floodlight camera. After powering on and waiting for about 1 minute, you will hear, "Hello Foscam," and "Ready for Wi-Fi configuration."
Hello Foscam, ready for Wi-Fi configuration.
Enter the Wi-Fi information that your phone is connected to. Face the QR code on the phone to the camera. The best scanning distance is 15 centimeters, and follow the instruction on app to complete.
Wi-Fi connecting.